Alhaja Rukayah first, the chairman of our Muslim community. About our mother, Alhaja Rukayah, Oluronbi. She was a very pleasant woman, very pretty, highly committed, and committed to the Muslim community. There are times that number she would send words to me with money that she wanted to contribute to the mosque voluntarily on her own. So I'm not surprised that the children are taken after her, and that they have also, in her memory, contributed the sum of 1 million naira to restore our dome. We have 8 domes there, so they are the first family to first support us substantially. So on behalf of the entire family, I want to pray for the peaceful repose of Mama's corpse in the grave. May Allah accept her as a very good servant. May Almighty Allah admit her into Al-Jannah. And may Allah strengthen the bond within the family. All this we ask from Allah for the sake of Allah.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Oluronbi Adebayo. I'm one of Mama's Iyawo Lemije. Mama has been a very good woman to me. Alhaja Rukayah Adebayo Oluronbi, Mama Dada, Mama Rere. She's the only woman that gave my daughter her Oriki name, Abike Ade. Mama has been so special and so wonderful to me. In fact, when I came in, I remember when she came to my house. Mama, ẹ̀yin ti dá. Mama, eti ṣe dáadáa láyé, ẹ máa ṣe dáadáa lọ́run. And may her gentle soul rest in perfect peace. Mama, I love you so much. Thank you.
Orúkọ mi ni Muswatipo Bello Sunday. Àwọn èèyàn máa ń pè mí ní Sunday ìgbà tí mo dé Nàìjíríà. Màmá jẹ́ nìkan tó dá sí mi púpọ̀. Bí ọmọ náà fi mú mi, ìmú ọmọ, mú mi ní ìmú ọmọdọ̀ rárá. Ọ̀dọ̀ wọn mo ti kọ́ṣẹ́, ọ̀dọ̀ mo ti ṣe freedom, ọ̀dọ̀ mo ti àwọn náà ra free machine fún mi. Màmá jẹ́ nìkan tó dá. Ìgbà tí màá fẹ́ yàwó, ọ̀dọ̀ náà ni mo ti fẹ́ yàwó, ọ̀dọ̀ náà mo ti bímọ, àwọn náà ṣe ìkómọ everything fún mi. But màmá, nǹkan tó ikú kò ń sọ fún yàn. But àwọn ti mọ̀ nǹkan tó fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀. Wọ́n ti mọ̀ máa ń pè mí, á sọ pé Sunday, ẹ̀rù ń bà mí o, kò yá wọn o, wọ́n ní kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀. Wọ́n ní pé kò sí nǹkan kan. Tí wọ́n ní kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀, wọ́n ní kò sí nǹkan, wọ́n ní ẹ̀rù ń bà mí bá kí ló ń bà lẹ́rẹ̀, má bẹ̀rù náà. Àwọn ọmọ wà tó ń tọ́jú nǹkan ẹ̀ ní problem. Ó ní ọ̀tọ̀ ni àwọn ní problem. Ìdúró tí tó máa ń sọ, well, màmá ti mọ nǹkan tó pé ó ti mọ̀ pé àwọn ti fẹ́ máa lọ ṣá. Ṣe màmá dá sí everybody. Kò sẹ́ni tó máa bá ìrànlọ́wọ́ sọ́dọ̀ màmá tí ò lè rí. Tí ó ń tàn bá 20,000, ìrànlọ́wọ́ 20,000 wá sọ́dọ̀ wọn, wọ́n lè fún 10. Ẹlòmíì máa pè mí torí ìrànlọ́wọ́ pé Sunday, mo fẹ́ rí màmá fún nǹkan báyìí. Bọ́ àwọn ọmọ bí àwọn ṣe máa wá. Màá ní òkè, máa sọ fún màmá náà. Tí n bá sọ fún wọn báyìí, wọ́n á ní kí n pé ó ń tàn wá. Tẹ́ pé 20,000 ń tàn òun béèrè. Wọ́n lè fún 10. Wọ́n mú gbogbo ara àtẹ̀bí àti ara. Kò sẹ́ni tí òun bá ṣe. Ṣé màmá ó dáa, bomi mọ̀ bí kò mi rò pé irú màmá ẹ̀ ó lè wà ní ilé ayé ńsìn. Mi rò bẹ́ẹ̀. Ṣé nǹkan tí màá sọ fún àwọn èèyàn tó wà ń tà ni pé kàn ṣe dáadáa nílé ayé. Tóbi màmá ìwà tó ń hù nílé ayé yìí, wọ́n jèrè ẹ̀ kán tó lọ. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, because time tó kú sí yẹn, àmì gbọ́ pé èèyàn kú sí time bẹ́ẹ̀ rí. Àwẹ̀kú ọjọ́ 10 ló kú. Ọlọ́run foríjì gbogbo àṣìṣe wọn tẹ́. Kò sí ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ mọ́ pé kò sí bí èèyàn ṣe máa rìn tí orí ò lè mì. But gbogbo ẹ̀ tí wá ní ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ tí màmá ṣẹ̀, àsìkò tó ń kú sí yẹn, Ọlọ́run ti foríjì gbogbo ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wọn jì wọ́n.
My name is Oluronbi Adebayo. I am the second born of Alhaja Rukayah Adebayo Oluronbi. Today we are celebrating the final burial ceremony, and I'm so happy that we have a lot of people attending this ceremony. My mother was a good mother, a good grandmother, sister, very helpful. Most of the people who came around from Lagos, from everywhere, they came to celebrate our burial ceremony. I appreciate everybody for coming up for this ceremony. My mother was so kind. She helped a lot of people, and I'm so grateful for that. May her soul rest in peace. My mother is well known for helping a lot of people in our town in Ayepe, Ijebu, and also in Lagos where she was living before. She was so kind, and she has helped a lot of people everywhere. Even after her death, we found out that she helped a lot of people that came around for this ceremony. I'm so grateful for that. My mother came to this my father's family, the Adebayo Oluronbi family. She was a warrior. She fought a war, a battle, and she won this battle. A fighter. I really miss her. She was a sweet mother, even not to only her children, to other children. When she was living in Surulere, Lagos, she used to help a lot of people, young people, because she was selling provisions, and she even gave everybody everything she has. She will give her last thing to everybody. A great mother. I'm so happy and grateful to have such a mother. I'm so thankful to God.
Adesola Oluronbi, the first child of Alhaja Rukayah Adebayo Oluronbi. My mom, nice and short, she was a very nice person, kind-hearted. She opened her house to many people. I don't even know, like she has adopted so many children over the years. I'm drawing a blank, but all I want people to know her as a kind-hearted man who was loving and caring, and of course she was a loving mother. I couldn't have asked for a better mom. But now she has gone home to rest. Implore people to just offer prayers for her, you know, and thank you everybody for coming out to honor my mother. You know, Ọlọ́run á pàna oníkálukú mọ́ ọdún àjìnà síra wọn àdé ní fírú eléyìí sàn. Yeah, I would like to advise people, take care of your parents while they're still here. You know, make sure they are, you know, they have everything they need while you're on earth. Because once they're gone, it's too late for anything. You know, I don't have any problems because I know I tried my best while she was here. I just wish she could have stayed a little bit longer, so she could enjoy the fruits of her labor. But I know she's going to a better place. Yep. Thank you.